Alright, so this might be a little hard to see because I don't have, the best camera, obviously. But I'm going to show you an empty can of Sprite, and I'm going to restore it and reseal it and open it right in front of you. Okay, so first, need the empty can of Sprite. Okay, so just watch carefully. What I'm going to do, you can see there's dents in it. I'm going to go ahead and pop those out. It's going to be hard to see, but you might be able to hear it. This takes just a second, so bear with me. So there you go. Brand new. So now the only thing left to do is to reseal the top. Okay? So what I do is give my thumb a lick, because I've got magic saliva, and hopefully I can just rub the hole off, which is pretty great. Alright, so all I gotta do now is open it, see if it's sealed. There you go. And that's a completely restored Sprite can. Thanks for watching.